With the science and technology rapid development, which autonomous driving trains as a new technology are gradually attracting widespread attention in the world. Autonomous driving trains made through use advanced sensors and artificial intelligence technology, which can autonomously drive an automatic train operation system without manual control. This technology has shown large potential in the transportation area. Autonomous driving trains are based on instruction from a central computing unit and depend on many different technologies and work with automatic train operation, automatic control system, and automatic train protection system. Automatic train operation is a digital system that can make trains to drive themselves and automatically perform train functions. For example, station parking, speed regulation, door opening and closing. In many conditions, it is also connected to the automatic train control system, which implements normal signal operations, such as route setting and train regulation. Automatic train protection is similar a safety system that can limit the train speed, and if there has a problem, which will automatically stop working. Therefore, through these technologies can make autonomous train to finish driving tasks independently. First, the self-driving train through lidar cameras and other sensors to scanning nearby environments, which includes identification street, obstacles, and other train when the movement of the train is hindered, which will adopt emergency actions independently. The data collected is uploaded to control system of the central automatically, and through AI system to analyze and handle, which will set up the best plan. Finally, the control system through using the electronic implement unit to control the train speed and direction based on the environment and road condition that can achieve driving automatically. The autonomous driving train also use AI navigation systems, for example GPS, which is for train position and navigation. Autonomous driving train and traditional train have significant difference in many sides. Self-driving trains could reduce cost and make travel greener, because it can run as efficiently as possible and decrease wear, which have benefits to reduce energy use and emissions. The self-driving train have many advanced technologies. For example, sensors and detection systems. When some people do not have a law that enters the track or an object is discovered which may hinder the train normal movement, the sensor will make an alarm and the train can stop in time, which can make the train more safely to drive automatically without human control. But traditional trains depend on human to control and traditional systems, which system cannot deal with the information independently, and everything rely on manual control. So the degree of automation is bad. By contrast, the autonomous driving trains can reduce the chance of human mistake and improve train safety, because it can through sensors and AI system to check the surrounding environment and analyze the train information at the same time, and then set up the suitable plan that can decrease the safety dangers caused by human operation. For example, not have enough experience and tired driving. Traditional trains are depend on drivers absolutely. If there have an emergency condition which need human judgment and processing, the human reaction speed and arrangements may be slower and less reasonable than the automated system. In addition, the driver's technology and experience decide to the safety high or low. That quiz many cannot be control factors. This may result in increased risk of accidents. Although autonomous driving trains have many advantages, but it also have limitations. First, while the self-driving system can decrease human mistake, but if the technology have problems suddenly, for example, the AI system cannot working, that may cause for safety problem. Secondly, in bad weather conditions, such as rainstorm and heavy fog, which may result in sensors difficult to clearly identify the nearby environment and complex streets, so the self-driving system may be difficult to adapt. For example, in Sibania, 2 self-driving trains because had bad weather. That 2 trains collided led to an accident. In the future development of self-driving trains, with skill improves, it may be widely used all over the world, especially in city transportation side. That can assist to relieve the traffic crowded and change people's travel styles. As the artificial intelligence, sensors, and other technology further upgrade, autonomous driving trains will be safer and more reliable. But when the autonomous driving technology is widely used, which lead to train drivers and relevant staff members lose work. So, how to protect the worker employment and life problem when you self-driving trains at the same time, which is an important social morality problem. Autonomous driving train will collect a lot of information which contain passengers' personal information, and how to protect this data do not be leaked, as well as used for other purposes, which also is a need to consider morality issue. In conclusion, autonomous driving trains are important technology which can decrease human errors, reduce operating costs, and improve safety. With science and technology rapid development, self-driving trains will bring more convenient traffic and different experience to society in the future, as well as a more environmentally friendly way of travel, which will have a huge impact on the environment and bring fresher air.